Valentine's Day is next week. That's right, next week. So I created these personalized Valentine's Day cards that you can make at home. So you can print it out. You can use a paper cutter, scissors. You can add the ring pop or not. You can put it in a bag. I'm just showing you a different option that you can do if you want to add the candy and actually put it in a bag. So other options, I like to use twine a lot. You can use ribbon as well as tulle to give it a more decorative flair. So that's right, you heard me. Valentine's Day is next week. Don't forget your hole punch because you will need it if you're going to attach it to the gift bag. So all you literally do is head to my Etsy shop. I have this digital file on sale, 50% off. So you can grab that, print it at home on your computer with paper. Anywhere you want to print it from, you can. I just wanted to make it as easy as possible because I know sometimes you may not want to get what's already in the store because, you want to have that extra flair or just something more personalized, especially if your kids like mine. She loves ring pops. So I thought this one was really a cute and a fun way to create that. I'm not going to talk this whole time. This is a little long video, but I do just want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what I'm showing you, please follow and like for more.